For example, you can also enter. Let's think what hashtags should we enter. Let's say food. You see, so they are always posts, but most of the time they don't have logos. You understand? Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Reformer. My name is Mubashir Salahuddin. So today we're going to be talking on how to monetize what is it called, a digital graphic design skill online. That will be on Facebook and Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it. So this is our Instagram page. So in order to to be able to monetize a graphic design skill, the first thing you need to do is you need to locate businesses that don't have a logo, for example, or that their designs are not that perfect. You understand? So here we go. You click on the search button. You can either search for hashtags. Let's say, for example, fashion. Let's say fashion. Then you go on hashtags. So you look for those that are posting on that each hashtags. It can be stressful sometimes, but it's also very profitable as well. So you can look at each hashtags. This is an insane hashtag. Look at the million posts. It's around 18 million posts on that. So you enter the hashtag. So you look at the post. So not all those that post here would have a proper business logo. You can see this one here, there can still be modification if you notice. And this design itself entirely, you can redesign this to a better way by cropping it and doing some other thing. That's when you've perfected your graphic design skill, and you can suggest a logo for this person as well, for example. Then anyway, without wasting time, that's how to do that. You can enter another hashtag. For example, you can also enter. Let's think what hashtags should we enter. Let's say food. You see, so they are always posts, but most of the time they don't have logos. You understand? So you can always propose logos to them, and most of them, their design would not be classy. You can always advise them to let you do your work for them, and you get paid in return. And usually the first amount of money would be very small amount of money, but as time goes on, you can always request for an increase from new clients and from an old client as well. Let's say computer. So you can see she's trying to fix the system. No logo, just a face. So you understand. So that is that. You can type in business as well. Business owners. So type in business owners. Whenever you come across any relevant business name, you can approach them by sliding into their DM, and tell them blah blah blah, you love their content, this that. Okay, you have so skill and you like to render your service to them in order to increase their engagement and to increase their sales and you understand, to make them more profitable. You have to have the skill of writing. So anyway, you won't just send a bullshit message, I'm sorry about that word, and expect them to trust you. You have to give them reason to trust you. You understand? So that is that. If you don't want to search for hashtags, just like I said, just the names. You understand? Here too, I'm about to type business. So I type in that, you can scroll around and approach them. Even those that have logo, you can approach them for modification. You understand? You can tell them, you can modify it and make it look more attractive to their clients and make it stand out in their niche. You understand? So you have to be very convincing. So then that is that for Instagram. What matters most here is how you compose a message. Then for Facebook, what you need to do is you join a couple of groups. Let's say business group. You need to join a couple of group. Let me use a group I'm part of anyway. I don't want to join any other group. Okay. Let's see, make money online. I'm part of this group already. So you can come here, for example, you see what this person did here. To join, make money today. Free to join, make money online today. So you can just come here and make your post as well. You can just post that if you are a business owner and need a logo or any kind of graphic design, say hi or send me your business name. You understand? So it's after they've sent you their business name, you tell them, okay, fine, and you're going to design a unique logo for them. You have to be convincing. Remember, you're going to design a unique logo for them that make them stand out in their niche. And usually, this is the amount you used to do. For one reason or the other, you're given a discount. You can start from 500, like I said. As time goes on, you would be able to increase. I have people that design a logo for as much as 20,000, 5,000, but they also started from somewhere. So without wasting much of our time, that is that I will not posting this because I'm not interested. I already have a lot of work with me. So what I'm saying in a nutshell is you can post them on your Facebook page directly like this, or but the most what is it called? Engaging way, or the most vital way is to go and post them on groups. So you search for groups that are relevant to you and then you join. Once you're in, you can make such posts, and trust me, you get comments because most of those groups have lots of people in them, and probably they needed somebody to design a template or a logo for them. You can do your logo on the Pixel Lab, well, any other design can be done on Canva. So thank you, and that is how to monetize your graphic design skill on Instagram and Facebook. Remember, you have to be convincing in the message you're going to send to them. Thank you. My name is Mubashir Salahuddin.